Alright, so you know where we're going today? You know where we're going today? We're going to a place called Steak and Shake. You ever been?
Yeah, when I went to Austin, Texas, they have it, and it's really good. Let me drop this bike off and get Mad Max.
Alright, let's go. I miss his mirrors. Oh! Oh!
You done f***ed up.
Oh my god! Oh, Klaus. Hi, Z! God damn it. Oh my god. Klaus is gonna get in trouble today. He's probably gonna get us all in trouble, actually. What happened to your truck?
I rear-ended Viet on his birthday.
Oh yeah, at the track?
With his motorcycle on the back of his truck. Alright, I got a little something for the southern viewers. Coors Light. No, just kidding. Cheerwine!
What's Cheerwine?
Cheerwine.
Is it a soda or like an alcoholic?
Soda. It kind of tastes like Dr. Pepper, but cherry, but better. And Z gets the least. We're going to run a very formal test to check for exhaust leaks.
On my brand new exhaust?
Yeah, it's fine. It's pretty cool, dude.
You got a f***ing dud. Of course you do.
Wow.
You bought duds. They saw you coming a mile away.
You said they were good. You suck. Monster ball in the muzzy.
Oh shit.
What? Oh shit. It normally looks a lot cooler.
In the outside world?
On the outside world?
What's wrong with you? Yeah. He's out of control today. So the place we're going to today is called Steak and Shake. The reason this excites me is because I'm from the Midwest, and the Midwest is littered with steak and shakes. Out here in California, I've never seen one. So I did a little research and I found 3 of them. One of them isn't too far from where I live, and that's where we're going today. So let me give you a little history about Steak and Shake. Back in 1934, a guy named Gus Belt owned a gas station / chicken restaurant. So in 1934, he wanted out of the gas station and chicken business, and he decided to take his money and convert it into a hamburger joint called Steak and Shake. What separated Steak and Shake from all the other hamburger joints in the area was quality and fresh ingredients. In fact, he was so dedicated to his ingredients that he'd go down to the butcher down the street, roll a barrel of fresh T-bone steaks right into the lobby of his restaurants, and grind that shit up right in front of all his customers, so his customers knew that they were getting the absolute best. In this day and age, I'm willing to bet that that's something no longer practiced by Steak and Shake. There are currently 544 Steak and Shake locations spread throughout the United States, still heavily concentrated in the Midwest. What are you doing?
There's one of his brakes, so when he rolls forward, it'll go off.
What the hell's all this? Trash in the road? Oh my god. Litter bugs. Hello, officer.
The one place.
That cop's a ninja.
He's like, I'm waiting for you. I know you're coming.
That's a good little spot, huh? This is gonna hurt.